In this video, I'll show you how to add an announcement bar to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are loads of templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. That's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the e-commerce section, and down below you will find announcement bar. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press an F11, and on the corner of the window, simply click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to where you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. Now, you'll be taken to the page wherein you can start customizing your widget. And on the left-hand side, we have about 4 options. On the content section, this is where we can change our announcement bar message. You can simply highlight the whole thing and press on backspace, and you can set it to bold or italize. Below, you can also change the action element. You can set it to none, a link, a button, or what you could also do is a form. Below, you can also change the button text as well as the button link if you have the button, and this will all be different for each and every action element. Below, you can also change the visual element to none, badge, icon, image, or a video, and you can simply add an image, video, as well as an icon, depending on how you want it to be. Below, you can also add a close button, as well as add a bar link. On the position section, this is where you can change it to a static top, a floating bottom, or an inline. On the style section, this is where you can change your bar style from a small, medium, or a large. And below, you can also change the font. You can also change the color of the background, the message color, the badge color, the button color, as well as change the button style from filled to an outline. You can also change the corner radius from a square corner, a rounded, as well as a circular. Below, you can also change the badge style from a filled to an outline, as well as change its corner radius. Now, once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed and Social. Simply click on that one. And on Embed Code on the right-hand side, simply click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to highlight anything that isn't here and press on Backspace. We want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that isn't here, be sure to delete that. Once that's done, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And at the bottom, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you've done that, you should be able to see your widget, and on the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to Customize Text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to simply click on the widget, and at the top, simply click on Edit Code. On the left-hand side, you just want to press on Ctrl-V to paste the code, and under Font Family, this is where you can change it into the font into how you want it to be. And once you're done, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to your top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have an announcement bar on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.